Welcome to Tech Leveler. In this quick video I'm going to show you how to delete a contact on the Nokia 105. So first things first, let's press the middle button and then press it again to head into the menu. And then let's come up to our contacts. Let's go into that. Now we can go into the names, or you can search out a contact. However, we'll just go into the names. And let's say we want to delete Lee here. You want to press the middle button for the details. And this is the name and their number. So we'll press options and then we can come down and select delete contact. And it'll say delete ? So asking are you sure? You press OK. And that contact has been deleted from the Nokia 105. So that's how you do it. Hope you found that video helpful. If you did, smash the like, smash the subscribe, and thanks all for watching.